So, you've been working with your pendulum for a while now and feeling confident in your connection because the results you've been getting for yourself and possibly for family and friends have been accurate. Now you are thinking, how can I incorporate this beautiful divination tool into my energy-based business so my clients can also benefit from it? Perhaps you're a healer of people or even animals, or you work with energetic tools in your business such as angel and oracle cards, crystals, Reiki. Perhaps you see clients at home or at a workspace or even online via video link. How can a pendulum enhance your energy, spiritual or healing-based business? How can your clients and your energy work benefit from the addition of this simple yet powerful and effective tool? You might have a couple of ideas already. However, the flexibility of the pendulum lends its use in your business to much more than a mere couple of ideas. If you would like to enhance your energy-based business through incorporating your pendulum and are looking for ideas and inspiration as to why and how, then this course is for you. Through this course, you shall learn both why you should and how you can incorporate your pendulum before a client session, whether that's meditating with your pendulum to get yourself in the zone of healing or indeed genius, cleansing your energy and raising your vibration, or even opening your client's heart before they come for a session, and so much more. You'll gain insight into why and how you can use your pendulum to enhance a client's session and experience, such as managing their stress or releasing any worries they may be carrying, and so much more. You'll understand and appreciate the benefits your pendulum brings after a client session, whether it's through disconnecting energetically from your client or recalibrating your energy, and so much more. You'll receive guidance on how you can take your business further with support from your pendulum, such as working through fears and blocks that you may be holding, and again, so much more. Hello, lovely soul. My name is Viv, and I am an angel light worker, a soul purpose guide, and a teacher. When I'm not teaching, I guide and support souls seeking their soul purpose and walking their soul path, using messages I receive from the angelic and spiritual realms through my angel and oracle cards. When I read angel and oracle cards intuitively, my pendulum is never too far away. My pendulum is a tool I turn to throughout my day in relation to my business. Through my use, experience, and connection with my pendulum in relation to my business, I can appreciate and know just how useful and how supportive a pendulum can be for you, your energy-based business, and your clients. And that's what I share with you throughout this course. We'll consider and look at ways to use your pendulum before you begin your day working with clients or before a specific client session, during a client session, and then at the end of your working day, as well as how your pendulum can support you and your business into the future. For example, do you want to get into the zone before your working day begins? Use your pendulum. Are you looking to balance your client's energy? Use your pendulum. Are you needing to disconnect from your client's energy after they leave? Use your pendulum. Are you looking to remove fears and blocks that are preventing you from growing your business? Use your pendulum. In this course, we'll take your already existing knowledge of working with a pendulum and adapt and apply it for the benefit of you, your business, and your clients. Through this course, you'll gain insight into the many ways your pendulum can support you professionally and give you inspiration to discover even more uses for your pendulum in relation to your energy-based business. You'll learn about the ways your pendulum can support you, your client, and enhance your energy-based business, that you'll want to adopt it as a primary tool of support for your business to enhance and complement the other energetic healing or spiritual tools that you may already use. So sign up today and enter the magical world of pendulum dowsing in your energy-based business. Sign up today to understand how your pendulum can support you before, during, and after a client session. And sign up today so your business can grow, flourish, and expand thanks to the support of your pendulum.